Now, if you want to rule every line, you then have to go and move it down to the next cut. So let's just rule a few of those just to show you. So that's where that cut is. So we're going to move down one cut. So I'm only going to do those. And you can see that what it's done is it's ruled up every line now. So you have a series of 3 mil line heights. Now, if you're going to write something like Spencerian PAScribe, there is a 52, and you'll see that that 52 just says 52. There is a 52T, which tells you this 52 is at the top, and then there is a 52B, which tells you this 52 is at the bottom. So I'm going to line the 52 up, there it is, and I want that line to be vertical, and we're going to basically screw it into place. I'm going to take the other 52 and just screw that into place. And what that does is it allows you to move the template. I'm going to rule up some 52s, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for the little line to the little line. Now, a little note about the pad. If you want to make sure that you've torn the page off properly, what I do is I lift the top page I've worked on and I slip my fingers underneath it. I basically run it along the inside, the underside of the block, back and forth. And that helps you to use the micro perforations perfectly, and it always tears off well. So now you have that. So what are you going to do with it? Well, I'm going to take a Sakura jelly roller number 10. I love these white ones. They're so good on the gray pads. And you can see that I'm using the baseline and the X height, and I'm working with ascender lines and descender lines. So I'm not guessing. And because I'm not guessing at the heights of the parts of the letters, I have something really quite accurate.